Please subscribe, like, and share.
Nana Bibia Boko.
Bibia come up.
Okay. Usha nipa abe jam Kofi B a ewa ha. Nyini paketwa. Eye celebrities anasa musicians ebi wu a abayfa eye no state barrier. Usha Kofi B deserve state barrier.
O deserve more than that scrap because you know your music no production bi aye ya. You can't Ghana mineral sources ebi ni music. Music ni ono mo a we can live. Music to send from and I be a yeti, what I say. I don't know Kofi, a Jumo Bay, no, a sumbu too much say, and could deserve such a thing. But crowd and by Mehuano, me so proud.
Osha Kofi B way, Faubia unexpected. Kofi Kakoya Juma Abba, and Okashe non Kao. I am Nantan and Babawa, yes, soon, in fact, a youth from Kofi B way, then they say, soon.
Oh, the yesu free moi say okwa adwuma ana wama the yesu ne say owo de edabansan kom dan obi abewu de me wo hye ne say youth no omuntie Kofi nyom ne yemfa nkai ne si erefi no ye mpanyimfo de erefi ne da sanete
na bibi ho de bebre this year
this year me de bibi ababonten and now you can say on the 15th or 16th. Many Kofi B adwuma enti many abrain pa ya record December. Ya adwen say you release enwom no. You release enwom no December. But video no ye ready into no. Ya say be release enwom no Valentine Day. Ye video no ho arrangements was okọ aba okoya wa ma. Enti many abre pa.
No na baba this year.
Enwom no ye no me release the cra Valentine ya until enche am for better pa
and that was it
yeah but this me that was bebre
Please subscribe, like, and share.